Hi, welcome to another session. My name is Pradeep, and in this session we are going to discuss what is the use of extension ledger or appendix ledger. Okay, so earlier we used to say it is appendix ledger, now we are saying that it is extension ledger. Before this session, I would request you should go through my one previous video where I explained how to create the extension ledger. Also, I will give the link in the description so that you can first go through. If you have not seen that video, first you go through that video, learn how to create the extension ledger. In this one, you can say the end user activity or what is the use of extension ledger. So as you know, we have, along with leading ledger, non-leading ledger in S4HANA, we have a concept of extension ledger. In this presentation, I'm going to show you what is the use of extension ledger. So I have developed one scenario just to use the extension ledger. So I have created, or in fact I'm going to create one common cost center, and that using that common cost center I will post my all expenditures by using the common cost center through leading ledger. Common cost center, you can say something to make the FI entry simple. I have just created some cost center, okay, and all my cost I will post there. So then in month end process or during the month itself, so I will not take a month end process, I will take the simple reposting. So during the month I will repost the cost from the sender cost center, which is my common cost center. So and we will transfer the cost to production cost center. So in this example I'm going to take 3 production cost center. So sender cost center will be that common cost center where I have already posted my cost through FI entry by using the ledger, leading ledger. And in this reposting I'm going to transfer the cost from the sender cost center to receiver cost center. But important thing is this, in this during this transfer by using this KB11N or KB61, I'm going to use the extension ledger so that we can see what is the benefit of using the extension ledger and how this can be used in the S4 HANA Finance. Okay, so this is we are going to see in this video. So without wasting time, let's start. Let's say we have a common cost center is there, the cost center something 2000 or something. All the cost, just to make the FI entry simple, all the cost I will post it there, or we have created this one, I don't remember.
What is common cost center?
Nothing, just like to make the FI entry simple, I will create one cost center, which is actually there is no no physical cost centers, no department is there. Just to use as cost collector, I will create one cost center because I don't want the FI person should confuse. Yeah, we don't have cost center, so I will create one cost center. Like a cost center means you may link with the departments, but there is nothing called department. I will create one cost collector as cost center, and I want to post all the transactions from FI point of view. Whatever the cost we T02.
Yes, I declared to the T02 only.
Where is my cost components?
Said admin expenses, audit fees, non-operating expenses, salary.
No, and we have not posted any production related expenditure.
We posted in canteen, I suppose. Production, I don't think so. It was posted.
Okay, fine.
Canteen and salary and rent, the common, and then you showed us the assessment, everything.
Assessment, okay.
But I don't think you posted anything in production directly.
Okay, I'm going to create some cost elements. So cost elements, like we have the costs are like, let's say wages, we have electricity, and we have some consumables. These type of costs are there for different actual production expenditure. Whatever we have the production expenditures, for this we need to record this cost. But I don't want to like FI person should, FI entry I want very simple. FI person will post all the transactions in this 2000 cost center, so that it will be very simple, and we will do the account assignment accordingly. After that we will do the posting in CO by using this extension ledger. So in a different posting period or in a different period, we can use this extension ledger Y2. So there will be some documents will be posted in the extension ledger automatically. Okay, so that I want to do here. So let me create first the ledgers.
Hmm.
I thought we created this, but it is missed. Okay, production expenditure 1000. All are primary cost elements. Because we have created the extension ledger, but we have not used the extension ledger so far. Although we posted one transaction through FI, but we want to do it in a different way. That's what I'm creating now. Fine. And create one cost center. I'm creating it through on-premises. You can use the cloud also. So cost center, let's say 2000. Name this as cost collector. Now go for the account assignment. OKB9. So we specified here the cost center is 2000. Whatever the cost we are going to post here, it will record initially in 1000 only. 1001.
Where oh,
Okay, now the cost center. So we created some cost elements or ledgers. We have created some cost centers, and now I'm going to post the transaction. I want to post in, right now we are in 6th posting period. I want to post it in 5th posting period. Let me take both. Okay, I'm trying to post it in previous month. So 8th. So let's say 14th, 2018. Oh, sorry, it's a different company code.
but the period 3 was this thing, na? Period 3 was extension ledger, na?
Right now I'm not using extension ledger. I'm doing a normal
Hello?
posting. I'm doing a normal posting now. Right now I'm not using any
Okay.
extension ledger. I'm posting a FI
Okay, okay.
entry in the August period. August period is my 5th period.
Okay. Okay.
So GL account 1000. So take some amounts, 10,000. Period 6 adjusted with line item. Period 6. Which period? Currently we are in 6th period. I am trying to post in previous period, or let me use this T code. Posting period 5. Cost center updated. So everything I will post in 2000 only. Wages. Account 1001. Okay, first document posted 1004 document posted. So this one we have posted in our, we have not specified the ledger. So this is there in the both leading as well as non-leading ledger, and this document is also updated in the Universal Journal. One triple 04. Okay, this document is posted. Now let me close the period. Now we are in September and this period closed. I want to do the reposting of cost in the month of September, okay, which is our period 6. So that means from cost center. So your sender cost center is 2000 because all your cost is recorded with previous month. Okay, so total cost is recorded here in the month of August and we posted everything 2000. The reason is we want to make the FI entry simple. FI person posted all the cost here. Now we want to do the reposting in the September by using the extension ledger because we have already closed the posting period for this. Now I'm going to use the transaction code KB11N or the reposting of cost. Take the document type, in which document type you want to do the reposting. So let's say we are going to do here in CO. Now specify the ledger group. This is CO2 transaction code Y2, and in which period you want to do the settlement. Let's say period 6. So take the old cost center 2000.
Pradeep,
Yeah, go on.
one question, Pradeep.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah, go on.
In this T code, if it is in this T code, if you choose the ledger group as OL or 0L,
Yeah,
the main ledger,
it will work.
will it go to the other? Will it go to the other ledgers also?
No. If we'll specify here ledger group 0L, then it will be posted in 0L only, because it's ledger specific
Okay.
entry. We don't want to use the 0L because 0L accounting,
Right.
this accounting periods are, everything is closed. We don't want to open that period. We can't open. So
Yeah. Yeah.
that's why we
Yeah.
have the additional ledger. Whatever the ledger you want to use
Yeah.
here, that will be recorded.
Yeah.
Okay. So out of this 10,000, let's, cost element is 1,000. Then amount, let's make it 50-50. 5,000. We have cost centers, 2 production cost centers. So I will take this one. Same cost element, 5,000. The other cost center. This is one cost. Cost element 1001. 8,000. 5,000. P100. Ledger posting in other ledgers during one FI entry, if you will not specify the ledger, then it is going to update in the all ledgers. If you will not specify anything here, keep it blank, you will find this reposting in both the ledgers, your leading as well as non-leading. But in extension ledger, it will not update. But we want it should be there in the extension ledgers only, because we can't open the current period, like the whatever the period already closed. P101. 1002. So this is 2000. This is my existing cost center, and this is the new cost center. Now post it. So we are posting in period 6. So this is the error we have not assigned for this company code. I mean this controlling area, RK1, the business transaction. Let me add it for here. This is not the error what I was trying to show you. It is some configuration is missing. Let me fix it first. I have not created any group so far. Let me create a group. I posted a new document in controlling. Okay, 101 in a different posting period. We posted the original document in a different period. This one we have posted in a different period. And how system accepted this? Because in period 3, if you'll see the period 3, we have opened this period. If you'll go to OB52, so here our current period was open 6th period. So that's why we are able to post the transaction in controlling this period, and we got a new document, internal document is generated. Now let's see the universal journal. In universal journal, I will specify here ledger Y2 and company code T02. I'm not going to specify any document number, run it. Are you getting any document here? These documents.
RQ1.
RKU1. We have not posted anything in the FI, but we got a new document here. This is the old document. we have posted earlier, we manually posted something in FI. You can link this one through BKPF, that means FI data. This is your CO data. So with reference to this 101 document, what right now we have posted in controlling, we got a FI data also, and that too in extension ledger. So this is the use of extension ledger. When you want to do something with extension ledger, this is recorded. So this transaction is not there in the basic. This transaction you only there in the universal journal or in ACDOCA. So that's why universal journal or ACDOCA table contains FI. I mean your so ledger BSEC data. If you check the BSEC data, BSEC only the current data. Whereas in ECDOCA, you will find leading ledger, non-leading ledger, universal, extension ledger, this type of activities, everything will be there in the ECDOCA table. This was I